Hey there, let's get right into it. Let's jump right in. This is Viva Video Blueprint, how to create and promote super awesome videos to attract more hair clients. And we might be asking ourselves, what is video marketing in the first place? And why is it so important for hairstylists and salon owners? Well, first, let's take a look at what marketing is in general. And marketing is simply the business process of creating relationships with and satisfying customers or clients, according to Wikipedia. And marketing is simply the message you use to attract new clients to you and your business. That's it. It's the posts, it's the videos, it's the language, it's the text, it's the outreach, it's anything you use, could be online or offline, to attract people to you and your business and fill your books, get new clients. So marketing is super simple. So let's talk specifically about what is video marketing. And video marketing is a way to promote your hair services or salon. It's also a way to educate your potential clients or target market through video specifically, and increase brand awareness and social engagement, allowing you to reach new clients as well as a larger pool of potential clients in your area. And there's 3 important reasons why we want to use video marketing specifically. Videos make a quicker connection with potential clients. Videos bring your personality into your marketing message a lot easier and faster. And videos form deeper connections, which lead to lasting relationships and returning clients. Now, there's also 7 more reasons why your hair business needs video. So let's talk about that. Videos increase engagement, and you probably already know this. If someone sees a video of yours on social media, they can quickly like it, they can quickly contact you, they can quickly see you and get an idea of who you are and what you have to offer. Videos also showcase your services better and provide visual explanations. Videos also provide visual connection with you, your personality, your energy, what you have to offer. They can see you right away. They can see your style. They can see who you are as a unique and individual stylist or salon owner. They also highlight your accomplishments so you can share anything you want through video. They also raise retention rate on your website if you include videos over there, and they increase booking and repeat clients because, again, they deepen that relationship and that connection. So the one thing I want you to remember is great videos speed up the process of gaining trust. And trust is the number 1 reason anyone books an appointment with you. So this is really important. We want to build trust. And it's also your chance to introduce yourself, to introduce your services, your skills, your talents, your expertise. You can introduce your mission and your company culture through video. You can also introduce your personality to more people before they ever even meet you in person. Every salon and stylist must have video, period. And stylists and salon owners who understand how to use social media and paid advertising effectively will rise above the ones who stay stuck in old ways. Now, I'm going to use the word salon and stylist interchangeably because this is for you, whether you're an independent stylist or a salon owner. The reality is right now, not a lot of stylists and salons have begun to do these things. So you are ahead if you're creating amazing videos that connect with your community. And the first rule of video is that you just must not be boring or bad. And ask yourself, why should potential clients choose you or your salon over another one? And here's how most people respond to that question. They say things like, because we provide superior service, or because we care more, or because we're the best. All right, confidence is good, but at the end of the day, how are you making it clear to your clients that they should choose you? And to answer this question, imagine yourself in your client's shoes. And let's take an example and let's call her Wendy. Now imagine another salon or stylist in this scenario. They are your equal in every way except one thing. They have amazing videos. And Wendy's never heard of either of you before, but Wendy has an issue with her hair and she needs to solve, and she's looking for a stylist that has access to the internet. If Wendy is looking at both businesses side by side online, which one do you think she'll choose? The salon or stylist with video, or the stylist with no video? Obviously, the stylist with amazing videos is the one that she's going to choose, right? And right now, most salons and stylists are seeing video content as a nice to have, when in reality, it's an absolute must. Kind of like how we think about having a personal Facebook or Instagram account, or even how we should think about having a company or stylist websites. They are absolute must. And if you're wanting to find out more about someone who you're trying to book services with, you would be much more connected or familiar with the ones with videos, right? Think about booking facials or spa treatments or lashes or permanent makeup or even a dentist. We become familiar with people who we see on videos and begin to know them, like them, and trust them a lot quicker. And so if you're here, congratulations, because you are pushing the limits. You are having a growth mindset and you are moving towards success and freedom in your life and your business. And at this point, you might be asking, but that all sounds great, but what do I say in the videos? How do I put them together? What do I do? What equipment should I use? Where do I put the videos? Or how do I figure out all the technical stuff? Well, I've got you covered, so don't worry about a thing. We are going to cover all the details, where and when to use videos, exactly how to set them up, exactly what to say, the tools you need, and so much more. And if at this point you're saying, great, I want to learn it all, but I'm a little nervous to get on camera in the first place, so I even have included a bonus video just for you, how to feel confident on camera. So I'm going to give you all the tools you need to do amazing videos, to explode your business, to get your message and your purpose and your unique skills and talents out there to your community. And all you have to do is watch these videos that I've created for you, and everything will fall into place. So let's get started. I'll see you in the next video.